Alaikum. In this lesson, it's not actually a lesson, it's just something extra that you need to know before starting your road into the Arabic letters and connecting them. In the first row, I have 6 letters, and these 6 letters are called one-way connectors. One-way connectors means that any letter can connect to one of these letters, but these letters can never connect to any other letter or any letter up here. They are alif, dal, thal, ra, za, and waw, and you should actually memorize these. These here are one-way connectors. Some things that are really complicated are letters such as ba, ta, tha, noon, and ya. And I'm going to show you how these letters look in the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, and at the end of a word. When you have ba in the beginning of a word, you would have actually look like this. When in the middle, you'll look like this. At the end, it will look like this. Ta, ta, it'll look like this in the middle and at the end. Tha, beginning, it'll look like this. Middle will look like this. And end will look like this. Ya, on the other hand, will look like this in the very beginning, this in the middle, and this at the end. Now, ayn and ghayn in the middle of a word in the Quran will look something similar to this. Okay? And ghayn would be twin, would have that dot. Now, you sometimes would see this, and it's called the round ta. The round ta. The round ta comes at a word in a word sometimes. And if you're going to connect or at the very end of a verse in the Quran, and it just means around ta means that it's actually 2 letters. If you're going to stop, it's a ha, and if you're going to continue, excuse me, kind of sick right now. And if you're going to continue, it becomes a ta automatically. Ha in the middle of a verse may look like this, something similar to this right here. And we're jumping to our last, which is kaf. Kaf could look like this or like this. When it's at the end of a word, it looks like this. When it's at the beginning or a middle of a word, it looks like this. So you have one-way connectors here. These are your one-way connectors, okay? One-way connectors. And one-way connectors are anything can connect to it, but it cannot connect to anything else. Then you have these letters, okay? So basically, these letters will always look the same, okay? Whether I connect the ba to this waw, it'll look like this, okay? A ba to the waw. If I connect a sin to a za, okay? Or a sad to a ra, okay? Um, a ta, you know, to a dal, and so forth, okay? A ba to an alif, okay? But it cannot connect to this, or this cannot connect to it, okay? So you get the point, okay? Here we learned different, different ways that ta, ba, ta, tha, noon, and ya would look like. Except for ya would look like this at the end. Besides the rest of the 3, okay? Then we went to ayn and ghayn, the round ta, ha, kaf, and kaf. All right. I hope this really helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and message me, and I'll go ahead and message you back as soon as I can. Usually, it'll take about just give it a day, okay? Usually, within the next hour, I'll go ahead and message you, but just give it a day, just in case if anything happens. All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.